What is UP, Insight Nation? Welcome back to Amazon Insights, your ultimate source for the pulse of what's moving the markets and shaping the future. We've got a packed show today, with updates that are going to make you lean in and pay attention. The pace of change is relentless, and if you're not plugged in, you're missing out. Get ready for some unmissable news that's going to set the agenda. We're diving deep, so buckle up and let's get started. First up, a massive shift is underway within one of Amazon's most significant acquisitions. We're talking about a strategic integration that could redefine employee benefits and operational synergy. Get ready for a major overhaul that promises to bring a whole new level of perks and alignment across a vast workforce. This isn't just a minor tweak. It's a fundamental restructuring designed to leverage Amazon's core strengths and extend them to a beloved grocery brand. Stay tuned for the details on how this move could impact everything from employee morale to market competitiveness. Next, we're dissecting the broader implications of Amazon's aggressive expansion into a sector that touches every single household. This isn't just about groceries anymore. It's a masterclass in strategic market domination. We'll break down how Amazon's moves in this space are sending ripples through the entire retail and e-commerce landscape, potentially reshaping how we shop and what we expect from our favorite brands. If you thought you knew the grocery game, think again. Amazon is changing the rules. Then, we pivot to the powerhouse of innovation that's been making waves across the tech world. A recent earnings report has set the market ablaze, and one analyst is making a bold prediction, turning decidedly bullish on a tech giant with deep ties to Amazon's ecosystem. We'll explore what this means for the future of cutting-edge technology and the companies poised to benefit from this surge of optimism. It's a story of performance, potential, and the forward momentum of groundbreaking advancements. And finally, for all our gamers out there, get ready to jump into a brand new battlefield. Amazon Games is dropping a title that promises to blend the tactical depth of real-time strategy with the fast-paced action of MOBAs. We've got the inside scoop on a fresh release that's aiming to shake up the competitive gaming scene. This is one for the strategy fans, the MOBA enthusiasts, and anyone looking for their next gaming obsession. Don't miss these updates. Ready for the deep dive? Hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and ring that notification bell so you never miss a beat. Let's go. A new era for Whole Foods staff. Amazon is set to dramatically reshape the employee experience for corporate staff at Whole Foods, its major grocery acquisition. This significant benefits overhaul, slated for full implementation by December 2026, aims to align the grocery chain's corporate employees with Amazon's own robust corporate programs. This strategic move is designed to integrate the Whole Foods corporate workforce more deeply into the Amazon ecosystem, potentially boosting morale and operational efficiency. Under the new structure, U.S. corporate employees at Whole Foods will gain access to Amazon's extensive corporate staff programs. This includes a complete alignment of pay structures and benefits, bringing them in line with their counterparts at Amazon.com. While this transition will take time, with the full alignment expected by the end of 2026, Whole Foods employees will continue to enjoy their existing in-store discounts until the new benefits are fully rolled out. This phased approach ensures a smoother transition for the workforce. A key perk being extended is a 10% discount on Amazon's own merchandise for Whole Foods corporate employees. Furthermore, they will gain access to a wide array of employee deals through Amazon's online portal, covering services such as phone plans, car insurance, and travel bookings. This expansion of benefits reflects Amazon's strategy to leverage its scale and diverse offerings to attract and retain talent across its subsidiaries. The company has also announced that Whole Foods employees will have approximately 1 month to review updated job titles, salaries, and benefits packages. This period is crucial for employees to understand the changes and how they will be affected. Amazon's overarching goal with these changes is to strengthen its U.S. grocery operations, particularly in expanding Prime's fast delivery capabilities for perishable goods. Analysts from Bank of America and Wedbush have lauded Amazon's nationwide grocery delivery expansion as a pivotal step in its retail strategy, citing its ability to scale perishable delivery and effectively compete with major players like Walmart and Instacart. They believe Amazon is addressing long-standing logistical challenges and solidifying its competitive edge in the massive retail category. This initiative is part of a larger investment, with Amazon earmarking over $4 billion to expand its delivery network by the end of 2026, with a particular focus on serving small towns and rural areas. Since its $13.7 billion acquisition of Whole Foods in 2017, Amazon has consistently worked to integrate the grocery chain into its broader operations, including price adjustments and integration with the Prime subscription service, signaling a sustained commitment to dominating the grocery sector. This benefits overhaul is seen as a significant move to create a more unified corporate culture and operational framework across Amazon's vast retail empire. But how will these sweeping changes truly impact the day-to-day operations and the market perception of both Amazon and Whole Foods? We'll dive into the strategic implications next. Amazon's grocery game plan, a retail revolution. Amazon's relentless push into the grocery market is more than just an expansion. It's a strategic maneuver that's fundamentally altering the landscape of retail and e-commerce. By leveraging its vast logistics network, technological prowess, and the acquisition of Whole Foods, Amazon is not just competing. It's aiming for market domination, with significant implications for every player in the sector. The company's commitment to enhancing its grocery delivery capabilities, particularly for perishable goods, is a cornerstone of this strategy. Analysts note that successfully scaling perishable delivery is a critical differentiator in the modern retail environment. Amazon's investment of over $4 billion to expand its delivery network by the end of 2026, with a focus on underserved areas, underscores its long-term vision. This expansion aims to capture a larger share of the estimated $90 billion online grocery market, a sector where Amazon is still working to close the penetration gap compared to traditional brick-and-mortar retailers. The integration of Whole Foods has been a key component of Amazon's grocery ambitions since the $13.7 billion acquisition in 2017. Since then, Amazon has implemented price cuts and integrated Whole Foods products into its Prime subscription service, making groceries more accessible and convenient for its vast customer base. This strategy aims to create a seamless shopping experience, combining the quality of Whole Foods with the speed and convenience of Amazon's delivery infrastructure. Industry experts view Amazon's approach as a masterclass in leveraging existing assets to conquer new markets. Its ability to handle complex logistics, including temperature-controlled delivery for fresh produce and frozen goods, provides a significant competitive advantage. This capability is crucial in a market where convenience and speed are paramount, and where players like Walmart and Instacart are also vying for dominance. By addressing long-standing logistical hurdles, Amazon is not only strengthening its own position, but also setting new benchmarks for the entire industry. The ripple effects of Amazon's grocery strategy are being felt across the retail and e-commerce sectors. Competitors are under pressure to innovate and improve their own delivery networks and customer offerings to keep pace. This heightened competition can lead to better prices, wider selection, and improved services for consumers, ultimately benefiting the end user. The success of Amazon's perishable goods delivery could also pave the way for further advancements in other on-demand delivery services, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in online retail. This strategic dominance in groceries is not just about selling food. It's about capturing a larger share of consumer spending, gathering valuable data on shopping habits, and further embedding customers into the Amazon ecosystem. The insights gained from grocery operations can inform and enhance other Amazon services, creating a powerful flywheel effect that strengthens the company's overall market position. As Amazon solidifies its grip on the grocery sector, the tech world is buzzing about another potential game changer. We're talking about a recent earnings report that's got analysts talking, and one tech giant is suddenly looking very, very good. Stay with us. NVIDIA's surge and Amazon's bullish forecast, a tech power play. In a market increasingly driven by artificial intelligence and cutting-edge technology, NVIDIA's recent earnings report has sent shockwaves, igniting significant investor interest and prompting analysts to reevaluate the tech landscape. Following this blockbuster performance, one prominent analyst has turned decidedly bullish on a major tech player with deep ties to Amazon's ecosystem, signaling a potential boom for companies at the forefront of innovation. The tech world has been captivated by NVIDIA's consistent ability to deliver exceptional financial results, largely fueled by the insatiable demand for its high-performance graphics processing units, GPUs, which are critical for AI development and data centers. These results not only underscore NVIDIA's market leadership, but also reflect the broader trend of massive investment in AI infrastructure. This surge in demand has created a powerful ripple effect, benefiting companies that supply essential components or are deeply integrated into the AI value chain. Amidst this backdrop, an analyst from a respected financial institution has upgraded their rating on a key technology company, citing its strong performance and future growth prospects. This upgraded outlook is particularly significant given the company's strategic collaborations and its role in enabling advanced technological solutions. While the specific company isn't named in the provided context, the mention of a bullish stance following NVIDIA's earnings suggests a connection to the semiconductor industry or companies that heavily rely on advanced processing power, areas where Amazon often plays a role either as a customer or a partner. Such analyst upgrades often translate into increased investor confidence and can lead to a significant boost in stock performance. For Amazon, which is heavily invested in cloud computing, AWS, AI research, and the development of its own hardware, a bullish outlook on a key technology partner or component supplier is highly encouraging. It suggests that the underlying technological advancements driving NVIDIA's success are likely to benefit other major tech players as well. The implications extend beyond just stock prices. A positive analyst sentiment often reflects a deeper understanding of market trends and technological trajectories. If the analyst's optimism is tied to advancements in AI, cloud infrastructure, or specialized hardware that Amazon utilizes or develops, it could signal a period of accelerated growth and innovation for the e-commerce giant. This could manifest in improved cloud services, more efficient AI-powered operations, or the successful launch of new tech-driven products. Furthermore, the narrative of a tech giant turning bullish after a competitor's strong earnings highlights the interconnectedness of the tech industry. Success in one area, like AI chip manufacturing, often lifts the entire ecosystem, from hardware providers to software developers and cloud service platforms. This symbiotic relationship means that positive momentum for companies like NVIDIA can create a rising tide that lifts many boats, including those of major players like Amazon. The focus on analyst sentiment and earnings reports serves as a crucial indicator for investors seeking to navigate the dynamic technology sector. A bullish call on a company linked to Amazon's sphere of influence suggests that the foundational technologies powering the current tech boom are robust and continue to offer significant opportunities for growth and market leadership. Now, while the financial markets are abuzz with these tech titans, we're switching gears to a different kind of battlefield entirely. Get ready for some exciting news straight from the world of gaming, where Amazon Games is about to drop something big. Amazon Games unleashes March of Giants for alpha testers. Prepare for a new strategic challenge as Amazon Games officially announced the upcoming release of March of Giants, a highly anticipated title that aims to blend the intricate strategy of real-time strategy, RTS, games with the dynamic, competitive action of multiplayer online battle arenas, MOBAs. The game, developed by Amazon Games Montreal, is set to launch its closed alpha phase, offering players a first look at its unique gameplay mechanics and strategic depth. March of Giants positions itself in a crowded genre by offering a novel concept. Players control not just a single hero, but thousands of soldiers, leading them from the front lines as a towering giant. This innovative approach combines the strategic troop management and base-building elements of RTS games with the fast-paced, hero-centric combat of MOBAs. The game is designed for competitive multiplayer, with matches typically featuring 4v4 battles where tactical decision-making, resource management, and territorial control are key to achieving victory. The development team behind March of Giants boasts significant pedigree, with many core members having contributed to the critically acclaimed Rainbow Six Siege. This background in creating disruptive, genre-defining competitive games suggests a strong focus on polish, balance, and engaging gameplay. Xavier Marquis, the creative director, expressed excitement about bringing a fresh perspective to the MOBA space, emphasizing the team's passion and expertise in innovative player-versus-player experiences. Christoph Hartmann, VP of Amazon Games, echoed this enthusiasm, stating, "Xavier and the Montreal team have an incredible vision for March of Giants, and we believe in their ability to bring a fresh perspective to the MOBA genre." He highlighted that the team's experience in creating innovative competitive games is evident in the early builds and expressed eagerness to gather player feedback during the closed alpha phase, noting its crucial role in shaping the game's future development. The first closed alpha test is scheduled to commence on September 2nd, with an initial focus on players located in North America. Subsequent phases will expand to other regions. Interested players can request access via the game's official Steam page. The alpha will feature a roster of 15 unique giants, each possessing distinct powers and abilities. 10 of these giants will be available from the start, with the remaining 5 unlockable through gameplay, offering players a variety of strategic options and playstyles to explore. This release marks a significant step for Amazon Games in establishing its presence in the PC gaming market, particularly within the competitive multiplayer space. By targeting a genre with a dedicated and passionate player base, Amazon Games aims to carve out its niche and potentially challenge established titles. And that brings us to the end of our news roundup for today. We've covered major shifts in employee benefits, game-changing retail strategies, and exciting new gaming ventures. Don't go anywhere, because we'll be back with a quick recap and a call to action you won't want to miss. And that's a wrap on another packed episode of Amazon Insights. We've seen Whole Foods corporate staff getting Amazon perks, Amazon making major moves in the grocery market, analysts turning bullish on Amazon-linked tech, and a brand new MOBA RTS hybrid from Amazon Games. Stay ahead of the curve like this video, subscribe for more essential updates, hit that notification bell, drop a comment with your thoughts, and follow us on all our socials. We'll see you next time.